Hey guys, if you want to create an application but you don't know how to code, then I highly suggest that to check out this website called Adalo. It's an app builder. Actually, yeah, an app builder because it's not just limited to mobile app because you can also create a web app and even tablet as well. It works in tablet. You have an option to publish it as PWA or just and publish it in App Store specifically for Swift as well. I'm not so sure, but I need to double check. But definitely, you can publish the application into App Store or Google Play or just a standalone PWA application. And what I really like about this website is, aside from no coding, it's actually allow you to create an application and try it for free. So if you go into the pricing details, like you can create a limited database, unlimited screens, and obviously unlimited test app as well. But if you want to have your own custom domain, if you are ready to deploy your application, then other features like custom domain published to app stores, you need to at least pay for a starter plan. Obviously, you can save for annual plan, and yeah, I actually put the link below if you want to try it out. I hope the free trial still works, so definitely use my link so you hopefully you can save. I'm not gonna guarantee, but it works before. So try using my link to sign up and just play around the free version. I actually like the free version so far. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in the front end side. So how it looks in the front end side. So as I said, you have an option to create multiple application. So when you sign up to the Adalo, you can easily like start creating an application, and it is unlimited. You can create as many as you want, but obviously if you want to publish it in Play Store or in Google Play Store or in Apple Store, you need to subscribe to the paid version. But the free version itself, you can definitely start giving the the random link to your members, and they can start using the application. Okay, so again, this is like the section. If you want to create a new application, then simply click this start thing there. Actually, not that. This is more on like customizing it. You click this drop down arrow, like this drop down option, and then click on create app. And let's say I want it to be mobile only, or I want it to be like it also works in mobile, tablet, and desktop. And you can use this for free. So if you click next, they already have a preset application like template for you, which is pretty common for an application. Like you can create a social media. There's actually a tutorial from Adalo where they replicate the Facebook app. You also have like a chat option, a shopping, social media, it's already mentioned there, restaurant, inventory management, which is pretty common, appointment, and learn Adalo to-do list, layout tricks, and the trips. So let's say you wanted to create a an appointment. So you click that, you click next, and then appointment app. But again, you can also start from scratch if you want to, and then click on, let's say I'm just gonna do start up, and obviously you can play around with the color. Click on create, and then here it's already preset. And if you want to jump into so you have Adalo already created a just click on the left arrow icon or up arrow icon, left or right, to navigate the application. So you double tap there if you want to, like, this is like the screen for the welcome, login, sign up, coaches, like the dashboard itself, and then the schedule. And again, you can start from scratch if you want to, if you don't want to use the template. And also, okay, so these are the screen. If you want to see all the screens, click that one, and here you go. These are all the screens that Adalo created, so you don't need to start from scratch. If you just really want to have, a very quick, application, simply let Adalo preset or pre-made all your screen, and then just simply change the the color. Like, again, it's very self-explanatory, guys. I'm not gonna do a lot of like bells and whistles here, because it's just really, you can just drag and type things up. And then with this one, they also have so-called like Excel, like in the database here. As you notice, you have an option to either like add a custom property. You also have an option to export it as PDF or use API. Again, I'm not gonna go for deeper on this. Highly suggest that you check an Adalo documentation. It's more detailed. This video is really more on letting you know that you can create an application for free using this website called Adalo. And then let's say you already changed all the pictures, all the, like, you configured the database, map all the presets, like this image map to the corresponding presets. You also have an option to either even though it's free, you have an option to just straightly give this link to your member. And then let's say if I'm gonna click open it in incognito mode, like even though they did not log into Adalo, they can straightly sign up and like feed your application. So when I sign up, things say info@example.com, let's just put there, I'll just use a sample or a random thing, admin 123 admin example. So if I sign up, I already like automatically redirected. Again, we haven't really done much of this, but if we go back to Adalo and we check on the database, you'll see that user, I'm going to click the user records, this one. So we already just created that. Like, it's already working as easy as like 30 or 60 seconds.